Hi you guys, welcome to Decor Lab. My name is Julia and in this video I will be showing you 5 different color palettes that I think will be very popular this spring and summer. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. So the first colors I'm going to start with are the Empowerment by Tuftex. Looks like this. And Sangria by Tuftex. So let's put those two colors together. So this is the Sangria. And this is my mint. So these two together make a beautiful combination. All right, so again, we have the Empowerment and we have a Sangria. Both colors are by Tuftex, and I think the combination of those two is just gorgeous. So these colors really complementing each other, and they are perfect for setups like bridal shower, baby showers, or any birthdays, just because it has like nice grape color of the Sangria and a nice spring and supernatural color of the Empowerment. All right, let's get to our next color palette. So in my next one, I have the Cameo by Tuftex. Then I have the White Sand by Sempertex. I have Stone by Tuftex. And I have Blue Slate by Tuftex. All right, let's put these colors together. So this is my sand. This is the Cameo. It's very similar to sand, but has a little bit more of a peach undertone. This is Stone. Also very similar to sand, but this one has a little bit more of the gray-brown undertone. And this is the Blue Slate. All right, let's put them together. So this color palette is beautiful, and that will be a perfect fit, again, for so many different social events where you are looking for more of a pastel finish for the setup. Perfect for teddy bear setup or baby shower or even Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Looking for pastels. The Blue Slate here doesn't make the whole palette too dark, but it gives it a nice balance. So beautiful, beautiful. Okay, next colors. So the next one I have is the Pastel Pink. So this is a Pastel Matte Pink that I have, Pastel Matte Pink by Sempertex, the Caribbean Blue by Sempertex, and a Mustard by Tuftex. So this is my mustard. So this palette is really nice. It's like somewhat beachy. You can also add a really nice element balloons to it, like maybe specialty orange balloons with like bobos on top of it. Make sure you check out our other videos to see how to create the specialty balloons. Or if you are attaching it to the Chiara boards, you can paint those Chiara boards in other super colorful color like hot pink or fuchsia or again orange, and these colors all together will be complete look. Okay, super summery. All right, next, pinks and purples. Okay guys, so here we are going to use the Pixie, the new color by Tuftex, and Blossom by Tuftex. And I will also show you how optional add the Turquoise at the end, but it's also by Tuftex. So this is my Pixie. Again, this is not a hot pink, but this is more of a vivid, more like fuchsia pink. Again, if you add it to this color palette, they will also go really nice together. Just as idea. This is our Blossom. So here you go, you guys. So these two colors are really beautiful base colors for many different displays. For example, if you will add turquoise, that I will show you in just a moment, or very vivid purple to it, that will be your beautiful butterfly display. I feel like that's going to be gorgeous, those colorful butterflies. Or if you will add yellow to it, that will be beautiful display for you can't see, for Easter. That's too vivid, but like I would do like a pastel pink, but still you got the point. Pastel or even mustard. Oh, there we go. Like pale yellow. So here's your Easter, right? But I want to show you these two colors with turquoise because I think this is going to be nice and hot. If you guys seen, I believe that was a Dolce & Gabbana in this very recent fashion show, and these are the colors they've been promoting for this upcoming season. So it's going to be purples, pinks with a turquoise. There you go, you guys. Hello, Dolce & Gabbana. So that's our next color. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and are you guys ready for the last one? So the last one is another color that will be very trendy this upcoming spring, summer season. It is all yellows. So if you guys know me, if you have been following Decor Lab, or if you are our student, I love monochromatic looks, monochromatic colors. They look very fancy, they look very expensive, and this season we're all about sun and yellow. So let me show you my idea. So here we will be using the mustard by Tuftex, and we're going to be using the pastel matte yellow by Sempertex. You can also use the lemonade by Tuftex. It's very similar color. Like that. So now imagine that in a beautiful garland all together. Here you can also use these two colors as base colors. Now imagine adding the eucalyptus or sage to that. That would be nice, beautiful, earthy, like a mimosa setup, right? Like add tulips or again mimosa flowers to it to complete the look. Beautiful colors for any honeybee display for the honeybee theme, or anything sunflowers. Just imagine sunflowers with these two colors. Going to be gorgeous. Play with that. So many different directions you can take it from here, or just leave it as a monochromatic, expensive look. And here you have it. 5 different color palettes that I think will be very popular this spring and summer. You can find inspiration for colors everywhere around you, like fashion design or interior decor. Which one of these colors did you like the most? Make sure you share with us in the comment below, and I will see you in the next video.